This is the brief on aircraft fluid lines and fittings from the FAA AMT General Handbook. You know, getting a handle on these connections is, well, it's absolutely foundational for any aircraft maintenance technician. I mean, these little fittings, they're what determine the integrity and pressure resistance of pretty much every fluid system on the aircraft. So, knowing the difference is just critical for good maintenance and, successful fabrication. Okay, let's jump into the three key things you need to know. First up, you've got to know the four main types of fittings for connecting tubing. We're talking about beaded, flared, flareless, and permanent fittings. Think of it like this. Flared fittings create a metal-on-metal seal by kind of bending the tube end. Flareless ones use a sleeve to grip the tube, and then you've got your permanent types, which are swaged on for just maximum strength. All right, second, and this is a big one, you need to know the limits of that beaded fitting style. That's the one that uses a hose and clamps, right? It's only good for low or maybe medium pressure stuff. Think vacuum or coolant lines. You just can't use it on a high-pressure line. That's a huge safety no-go. And finally, remember this. The other types, flared, flareless, and permanent, those can be used in pretty much any pressure system. Those permanent fittings, especially, they're designed for maximum strength and to be totally leak-proof. You'll see them where there's a ton of vibration or crazy high pressure, places where failure is just not an option. So really, getting the selection and installation of these fittings right, that's step one for safe and reliable aircraft maintenance.